Welcome to Grandma's Wise Advice, where we talk about love, passion, and the kind of secrets that make your heart race, your body tingle, and your mind crave more. Because love, my dear, is more than just a feeling, it's an experience. And if you don't feel it in your bones, you're doing it wrong. They say the eyes are the window to the soul, but they're also the key to something much deeper. When two lovers lock eyes for just 3 minutes, something magical happens. Their heartbeats sync, their breathing slows, time stops, and suddenly, there is no one else in the world. Just them, just us. But let me tell you something. Love should never feel like a waiting game. The wrong person will leave you begging for their attention, their affection, their commitment. But the right person? Oh, sweetheart, the right person won't make you wait. They won't make you wonder. They'll crave you like an addiction, touching you with their words, devouring you with their eyes, making you feel wanted, just because they can't help themselves. Ever wonder why danger makes people fall harder? It's not just a feeling, it's science. Adrenaline floods your veins, your senses heighten, and suddenly, the person beside you feels like the only thing keeping you alive. It's no wonder people fall harder when excitement and danger are in the mix. So if you want to make someone fall for you, take them on an adventure. Make their heart race for the right reason. But let's be real, passion alone won't last forever. Perfect love is more than just fire, it's the slow burn, the steady heat, the kind that keeps you up at night whispering secrets, the kind that makes you ache when they're gone, the kind that pulls you in and won't let you go. But what kills love faster than anything else? Overthinking. The mind is a dangerous place, my dear. It replays fears, insecurities, and doubts on an endless loop, poisoning love before it even has a chance to breathe. Let it go. Let desire lead sometimes. Love isn't meant to be analyzed, it's meant to be felt. Want to know if someone is into you? Watch their eyes. Pupil dilation is the body's natural response to attraction. The eyes don't lie. When they look at you like they're undressing you in their mind, oh baby, they want you. And here's a little secret. Eye contact does more than just turn someone on. It strengthens memory, deepens emotional connection, and makes them remember you long after the moment is gone. And speaking of deep connections, sex, 3 times a week or more. That's the secret to looking younger, feeling more alive, and keeping that skin glowing. It's not just pleasure, it's science. Your body craves the release, the connection, the pleasure. And if you're too tired, that's what cuddling is for. The warmth of a lover's arms, the way their breath tickles your skin, the way your bodies fit together. It's better than any drug, better than any painkiller. Now, if you want a love that lasts, stop criticizing, start seducing, encourage them, admire them, tease them, be their safe place, their desire, their addiction. People blossom under love, not judgment. Reinforcement is far more powerful than punishment. Seduction is far more powerful than shame. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to use them. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with someone who needs a little wise advice in their love life. Until next time, stay tempting, stay irresistible, and most of all, stay in control.